So now what? That's a very good question, and I have an answer for you. We're going to do our sea trial on November 18th, and that's where we take the boat out and program all of the new Raymarine stuff. And the reason I haven't shown you the Raymarine stuff yet is because it hasn't been programmed. We have our AIS number in, we have our MMSI numbers all programmed in, but all sort of like the fun, well, I can tell you what's not programmed in. The autopilot isn't calibrated, we have to do that. And all of the other sort of fun, neat, new stuff that the Raymarines can do. We just haven't messed with it yet because we're just gonna wait for the sea trial and do all the programming there. Our next step is to read through all the manuals, but ta-da! I haven't shown you the two hulls because that's the next thing. All the bedding back on board, put away the tools that are there. I have both the air conditioners running now. It says it's 78 in here. We usually keep it at 77 and 74 in the house anyways. I think we're actually gonna grill out on the boat here and eat lunch on board. So yay, step by step. Oh God, I'm sweaty. Sorry, yay, step by step.